Alright folks, going to unbox this freaking motherboard. So huge, it's an ATX. It's Aorus, oh my god, it's an Aorus Pro B450. I can like use Ryzen 1000 series and 2000 series from this out of this motherboard. So yeah, let's check out the inside. Holy shit, like I'm so shaking because it's worth it. It's 6,700 pesos. Oh my god. Oh, look at the magic. Look at the magic, my dude. Oh my god, so here's the freaking motherboard. It won't get out of the freaking box, so oh my god, this thing's heavy, I must say. Right, this is the inside of the box. I'm trying to like open this side. Okay, so let's put that on the side. Alright, as you can see, this is the only thing that you will get. Oh, nice, I got some risers. Oh no, I think those are for screws for the NVMe slot. Oh wow, I got like this is something to do with the freaking power label. Oh, it's this thing is for extension cord for the front switch or something. And this is the SATA connector, fancy SATA. Yeah, and another screw for NVMe. What do you know? Your friendly neighborhood motherboard installation. Alright, so that's all you can see inside the box. And then let's see this freaking motherboard. This thing's huge on my side. Hold on, I like to get this thing off this plastic anti-static fix bag. Oh my god, it smells good. It smells something new. Look at this piece. Oh wow, I wonder if I can like look at that. This thing lit once I connect it. Look at that, it's so gorgeous. Holy shit. It smells like the new fabric made up of silicon thing. It smells great. It's on 100% crisp. Holy shit. Alright, I think that's all I can show for you guys, but oh my god, I can't wait for this to get my new processor in the RAM. Jesus.